friends, something's wrong with our cars. We need to go to the car repair shop. So you can set up one at your home. And here's your sign. Here's your full service repair shop sheet. This is your tires, your steering wheel, your front door. Does it need a car wash? Yes, we're open. We're closed. Then you can make your own car. So you have one of these that you're going to fold, all different kinds of wheels. You can use watercolors, markers, anything you want. Here's some windows. Make your car any way you want, and then it'll stand up like this. But have fun with it. And another fun idea is to have these cars. Any idea what it might be? It's going to be a pair of glasses. So you're going to need your scissors, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, pointing out, thumb towards the ceiling, and you're going to cut it out. Stay on the black lines. If you need some help, that is completely fine. But turn your paper. Keep your hands straight. I know it just looks like cars on the page right now, but it really is going to be a car. Glasses, which are pretty awesome. Cut around. When we get to the middle part, you might need adults' help with that part. And you need some glue for this. Right now I'm going to use tape. You can use tape, you can use glue, you can use glue dots, whatever you might need. When you get to the set part here, you're going to bend just a little bit, make a little snip. And then you're going to go in and cut all the way around. Can you see how I'm doing that to make it round? Like that. You're going to take one piece here that says glue, you're going to bend it, and you're going to attach it to this part. You can do all your cutting first if you want to do it piece by piece. You decide. And when you're all finished, it'll look like that. Isn't that cool? Bye, friends.